Welcome to another edition of Johnny Investing. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go getters, trend setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about another exciting biotech company, Takeda Pharmaceuticals. So please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Takeda Pharmaceuticals, they're a pretty interesting company. They are really patient focused. They're value based. They have a lot of research and development in the global biopharmaceutical market. They are committed to bringing better health, better, bright future to people around the world. They do have a passion to potentially find these life-training treatments for patients, and they are really deeply rooted in, you know, with the distinction history in Japan since 1781. So let's go to the leadership team. You know how in biotech, I really think leadership is a big deal because these biotech companies, they really have to know when to adjust and adapt when things aren't working right. A lot of biotech companies, they're going to, one more study, one more data dredging. Let's see if we can get the data to work. But, you really need these leaders to be able to adapt and put the resources where, something more promising. So the CEO here at Takeda Pharmaceuticals, Christopher Weber, this guy is fantastic. I mean, he's a long-term thinker, big-time problem solver. I've heard him in many interviews, and he really sounds outstanding. Chris Andrew S. Plum, this guy, I've heard a few interviews with him, another superstar. Big fan of MD, PhD. Those guys that can do that, those are the type of A winner, go-getters, people you want to invest in. They know how to lead, and when they know how to lead, they have great teams. So let's go to the pipeline. So the pipeline, a lot of people look at this and think this is a little busy, but in biotech, you want to see busy. You want to see a lot of opportunities, a lot of, a lot of breakthrough potential for breakthrough medications. They're basically in 5 key business areas. I mean, you look at this, they're in oncology, rare genetic diseases, neuroscience, gastroenterology, vaccines. The ones with the stars, those are an orphan drug. Now, what people don't sometimes realize with those orphan drugs, that's when the pharmaceutical, molecule or agent is being developed to treat a medical condition which is so rare there wouldn't be too much profitability in that to produce without government assistance. Those are sometimes referred to as orphan diseases. So it's really great to see that. That being said, let's look at the stock price. Takeda Pharmaceuticals trades on the New York Stock Exchange, ticket symbol TAK, TAK, $14.66. I love it that, they're in a bunch of different areas: oncology, rare genetic diseases, neuroscience, gastroenterology, vaccines. I think there's a potential for upside. This is another stock I'll be watching very closely. I'll be adding shares. I think, there may be a chance for it to get at a lower price because of the environment we're in right now. There's probably a good chance there's going to be another rate more inflation coming. Unfortunately, more interest rates are going to be rising. So I'll be acquiring shares because I think Takeda Pharmaceuticals is going to have that great long-term play. They have a lot of drugs they're going to be reporting soon, getting some good outlook in 2023. So this is another great stock we got to take a look at. I'll have follow-up videos on it. That's all the time we have today. They got some, I want to go an in-depth video on TAK341, TAK594 for dementia. I think those are some really exciting molecules that they're going to be posting some data on as those trials wrap up. That's all the time we have today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That really helps the Google algorithm and YouTube. Thanks again for watching. You guys have a wonderful day.